sure it's
this is like pale season. Like I'm
like
literally
we literally matched the cabinet. Hey guys, so in today's video I'm here with Amelia.
Hey guys.
And we're gonna be doing another baking video. We did one last year. We made brownies.
We made 2 years ago, we did like a pumpkin one.
We did like trying pumpkin stuff.
We tried pumpkin stuff on your account and then we did pumpkin on mine. Like we made pumpkin,
okay. Yeah. What we're gonna be making is pumpkin bread.
We didn't feel
Amelia
like
has this mix. Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't feel like making it from scratch, so we just decided to do a mix.
Yeah, and it was easy enough because she had it. And we're in Amelia's kitchen that just got redone. Yeah. So got a good background. I like her kitchen more than mine because I like white. But I did do a baking video in mine doing cupcakes, but it was just a mess. So maybe it's good that we're just using like
because then I feel like you can focus on like talking to the camera.
True. So yeah, we're gonna make this for fall.
Also, today's October 3rd. It's Mean Girls Day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think it's also National Boyfriend's Day.
Hey, bye! That's where I exit.
On TikTok. Also, got some pumpkin coffee from Dunkin'. The line was so long.
I think I tried that, maybe.
Iced coffee. I just like can't not get festive stuff when it's like this time of year.
That's so good though.
The instructions seem very easy. Yeah. So I hope it's like focused.
Oh my god, I was looking up here the whole time.
It's what I do that. I think I was too. Set oven to 375.
I'll set the oven to 375.
These are all the instructions.
The pan.
Okay, Amelia's setting the oven and getting the pan.
There's like two.
Here, we'll give you a little tour of Amelia's kitchen.
It's like not completely done.
It's not completely, but like a lot of it. Very nice, very nice. Got the KitchenAid. So the next couple steps are combine the mix, water, oil, and eggs in a bowl. Stir 50 to 75 strokes. Who counts their strokes? Until mix is blended. Okay, that's easy. And then you just pour it into a pan.
It literally smells like it's on fire.
Is there anything in it? You know when people like keep their pans in there?
Yeah.
I would like set that on fire. My family did that. All right, got all this stuff here. Why does this look like an ad?
Like, oh, Jesus Christ.
Let's set you like here.
I don't know which one I'm supposed to use. Combine.
Yeah, it doesn't
Probably
say.
This one. I wanted a white one, so it matched the kitchen and everything. But my mom really wanted a blue one, so we just got a blue one.
All right, so what should we add first? The mix? Combine mix, water with an egg. So just do it in that order. Some dry. This is the only dry thing, which is good.
It's like so weird not having. Should we do like questions? Like
that's what I was saying. I feel like it's kind of like late. Maybe we'll talk about what we've done this fall so far. I haven't really done many fall activities, but also it's only the 3rd. Ooh, it smells like pumpkin.
I'll pick pumpkin. Yeah, that sounds good.
Guys. Took my SATs Saturday.
Really?
Yeah, I'm taking them again in November, but that's side note why I've been so inactive. And also I was just going through a rough patch. You know, life just
hits you.
It just hits you, I don't know.
It really does.
But yeah, that's what I've been up to.
We are going back 5 days a week for school, so I've been in person and there have been 0 cases.
Really?
Yeah, like
that's
I had a little corona scare. I had like all the symptoms. It was really bad. Like it was like 3 or 4 days in a row that I just had all the symptoms and they were not going away. So I got tested, but I was negative, and then I just waited like a few days to go back to school. But junior year is kind of just hitting like a truck already. So.
Well, I feel like you take hard classes also. In your school, she goes to private school, so it's like harder, I feel. I don't know.
It's whatever. It's fine. We're getting through it.
Yeah.
I have good friends, and I haven't seen my family in so long though, like because from the summer, like Abby's videos, like you can see like my cousins and everything. Like we went from seeing them like every day to like not seeing them at all.
She works at a restaurant right near her, like all the time.
Yeah, I've been working like 2 or 3 days a week, and my sister works there too.
Yeah,
it's been fun though. I feel like it hasn't been like that bad.
That's good.
And I like genuinely like working there, and I like love the people there, so it's not like miserable, you know?
Yeah. I like that. I wish like I know YouTube is my job, but I wish I like worked like like at a restaurant I liked or like I don't know. Like no, this would obviously like be ideal and it's not like a living, but like I feel like I would be too busy for a job. Just cause like SAT,
it would be
school,
a lot.
College, like then trying to focus on videos and friends and like
senior year I just like don't think I'm gonna have time to work. Like,
it's just hard. It really is. Like it adds a lot of stress about the future. Like that's what I'm really stressed about. I'm so scared like where I want to be. Like you can choose anywhere in the country, like I guess
anywhere in the world.
Like yeah, I mean I don't know with my grades, probably just stay in the country. But you're right.
Who's lurking around? Ready for my close-up? You can come in if you want.
This is Colleen.
Here's Colleen.
Hi. Ice water check.
Aaron?
Hi. Burning the house down check. All right, you want to do the eggs?
I'm so bad at cracking eggs. What if I crack it in and all the stuff gets in?
No, I don't
Really?
think so. Yeah.
I'm scared.
I wish I could do it with one hand.
Like, see, I used to be able to do it with one hand. I
Like, it
learned
just
from
looks so
the
cool.
American Girl movie.
Which
Grace
one?
in Paris, when she like
I don't think I've
bakes.
seen that.
It's actually really good.
We got the egg. That looks like weird.
I won't try with one hand. I used to bake all the time though.
I think baking
No, I
would be
don't.
fun, like, I don't know, if I like found some cute recipes. Nice.
There's a little thing in it.
We'd be able to get it.
Hey, I just got
I thought it would slip.
Me and one of my friends, when we were in middle school, would bake
Yeah.
and then sell all the stuff and raise money for
Charity?
yeah.
That's tender. All right, I'm gonna measure a cup of water.
3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh God, this angle. 3. Let's just pretend 1, 2. That angle is so bad of me. You're pouring it out the wrong end.
Oh, you're right. This end.
Ayo.
That's going to go on. Alright. A little bit. I poured it over a little
actually
bit.
done.
I was like barely. I need to like leave out though.
We can like reposition it. Put it like there.
Amelia's queen of angles. She needs to bring back her channel. I got the mix. Can't see. It's kind of.
Where
like
can
a
you
deep
like
hole.
see the whole thing? Make sure it's hooked in. You put it down. You lock it.
I've actually never used this.
You
Oh,
say.
wow.
You can video this. And then you don't do any work.
Yeah, seriously.
And then it's nice because you only have like one bowl, you know, that
Yeah.
you can use.
Wow, that was quick.
Okay, it's honestly done.
Pan and pan.
Oh, it's so heavy though.
Really? Should we get it like a spatula? Okay.
Sing something quite like
Kinda like one little
thing.
I just use rub it in. That was quaking.
What else should we talk about?
Conclusion about the oven, is it fine?
I don't know.
I have haunted house, fall movies, bake pumpkin things.
There's a, wait, you're going too fast again. For fall movies, there's like the 31 Nights of October on
saw
ABC.
Oh, there's probably Monstober still too.
Yeah.
Like I don't even know the channels on there now, but
I don't even know.
like I said, bake pumpkin things. So this or like anything
I
pumpkin.
love baking this season.
Same.
I actually
It's very,
really like this
cozy.
season because it
I
goes
do
from, it
too.
goes like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas.
That's what I was literally
All
telling my
month
mom that
apart.
like January I'm gonna be so sad. Like this time of year just brings so much comfort.
No, yeah, January, I literally get so sad because then you don't have anything to look forward to until summer.
Literally.
Like
That's
spring
it.
break, I guess.
I
but,
don't even like spring.
I don't like spring.
I don't know why. Apple picking. That'd be very cute.
That
Because
is
I love
fun.
apples too. All right, we're gonna put this in and then I'll keep reading.
Have you gone apple picking though?
No.
We used to go in kindergarten.
Okay, go off. Ooh, that is good.
Mmm.
All right, got the pan.
We're just like eating it.
Yeah, her oven was kind of, I'll show you.
Actually, no, I think it is done.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this the oven?
Because I think the light goes on when it's like not done, you know, and I think it goff off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we were worried because it was kind of like, there was just a lot of heat up here. So we were getting scared we did something wrong.
A little bit weird.
A little bit odd. All right, should we put it in? Oh wait, and it says, how much time does it say? 45 to 55 minutes. That's kind of long.
What?
I thought it was gonna be like 20.
That is long.
I guess I read at the beginning, I just didn't really comprehend it. There she goes.
Wow.
Wow.
It's not filming.
Oh, I think it was.
It had to be.
I don't know, whatever. Pumpkin drinks. So I just like always get pumpkin coffee because it just kind of sets the mood. Or like when it's Christmas, do the same
My
thing.
favorite thing is either a pumpkin spice latte, or if you don't like coffee, a pumpkin spice steamer.
I kind of forgot people that
They're
don't like coffee.
so good.
So like
Sometimes
wait.
I don't like feel like having coffee, or like I'm just like
Yeah.
not in the mood for it, and I'm just like, let me just get like a steamer. It's just like milk. It's like hot
Oh,
milk.
okay.
Or also
Whole milk.
a iced chai tea latte
Oh, I
with
saw that today.
a pump of vanilla. It tastes like so fallish.
Really? A hayride, which I actually went on yesterday. It's not that
Really?
fun.
You went on
You
a
just kinda
hayride?
sit. Yeah. We did a corn maze too yesterday. Not like the actual whole thing, because we got there like an hour before, so apparently it takes like a long time, but we did some of it.
Do they have like all the pumpkin patch open?
Yeah, they do. Carved pumpkins. And that's about it. Then I just put down a city near us because I feel like cities are just pretty in fall. All right, guys, we'll be back when it's been 45 minutes.
We're checking it.
Ooh, is that good? I think
Yeah.
it's fine.
Hey,
Nice.
She smells so good.
All right, we got a pretty piece over here. This one got a little destroyed. Also, we had some pumpkin Reese's. These ones are better than the original.
Ready? Make sure at the same time.
Wait, let's
Really
do.
at the end.
All right, ready? Mmm, I like it.
I think it's so ASMR.
Yeah, I did kind of get the end. Yeah, it's like squishy. Very
It's not
seasonal.
as good as the Trader Joe's one.
Oh yeah, they had another Trader Joe's mix, but we couldn't find it. But that's really good. I like that. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed us baking. Hopefully we had like enough to talk about. Gave some fall ideas and stuff. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll have Amelia's channel down below. If she makes a comeback.
If I do.
She should. Yeah.
We don't know.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you later.